Hello, my name is Miss Ball, and I'm a first grade teacher with Spokane Public Schools, and I'm here to do some math with you today. Our learning target says, I can make sense of word problems. Some people think word problems can be a little bit tricky, and they get intimidated by all the words in the problem and not knowing exactly what to do or how to solve it. I think they can be fun, and today we're going to take the numbers out of the problem so that we can focus on the clues that the story is giving us to solve the problem. If you would like to today, you would need a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can sketch out your model as we go along. If you don't have those things, that's fine too. You can follow along in your head as we go. Let's get started. So our first clue to our word problem today says, some giant sea turtles were swimming to shore. Some stopped to rest. So first we need to think about what is happening in the story so far. What do you see in your mind? Could you draw a little math model? So take a minute if you need to pause the video, or go ahead and sketch on your paper right now while we're talking through. What do you think is happening? How big are those sea turtles? Why do you think they're swimming, and why did they stop to rest? Maybe you're wondering how many sea turtles were swimming to shore? How many of those needed to stop to rest? So I'm going to just do a quick math sketch on here, and you can draw on your paper. So remember, we know that the word some means more than one. So I'm going to draw, there's some sea turtles, and here they are swimming. I'm going to draw circles as my model for my sea turtles. I don't want to take much time sketching out a fancy sea turtle. So I think maybe there are 7 sea turtles swimming to shore. And then here they stop to rest. I'm going to say maybe 2 of them get tired and they stop to rest. That's what I know so far. Remember, your model might look a little bit different than mine, and that's okay. Let's see what our next clue says. Some giant sea turtles were swimming to shore. Some stopped to rest. Some were still swimming. Oh, we have a little bit more information. What changed in our story, and how can we change our model? So it says some giant sea turtles were swimming to shore. So I've got that already. I think there were 7. I'll add that down. And I think some stopped to rest. So maybe 2 stopped to rest. And then there's another piece of information that says some were still swimming. So I know all of them didn't stop to rest. Some of them were still swimming. So if these 2 stopped to rest, I think that there are 5 still swimming. Let's move on to our next clue. Some giant sea turtles were swimming to shore. Some stopped to rest. 6 were still swimming. Ooh, what changed? What does that 6 mean? And how does that affect the rest of our model? So I know now that there were 6 still swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks different than what I had before. I was making the guess that 5 were still swimming. So if I still think that maybe 2 stopped, that's going to change how many there were in the beginning. So I need to have my 6 and my 2 who stopped to rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 2 that stopped to rest. So in the beginning, now my model shows that there were 8 swimming. 2 stopped to rest, and that means 6 were still swimming. But we're not done yet. There's another clue. The final clue says, some giant sea turtles were swimming to shore. 5 stopped to rest. 6 were still swimming. So how many were swimming in the beginning? So we have some more information. Now we still know that we had 6 that were still swimming, so I'll add those. We know that 5 stopped to rest. that changed from our original clue that we had. So I'm going to put those 5 that stop to rest. I was thinking at first that maybe 2 stop to rest, but now that I have the numbers in, I can adjust that really easily. So now it says how many were swimming in the beginning. So I can take my 6 and my 5, put those numbers together to see what I did. 6, 1, 2, 4, 5. I noticed that there were 11 in the beginning. We just solved the problem. By looking for clues and thinking about what was happening in the story, we were able to make sense of word problems today. Thank you for joining me. If you want more videos, you can go to the Spokane Public Schools Learn at Home website, or you can go to KSPS website for past videos. Thank you. Have a great day.